After years of planning, engineering and construction, physical works in the bridge is near completion, bringing the long-anticipated crossing closer to its official commissioning. According to officials, concrete placement for the bridge structure itself is now 97% complete, marking one of the most significant milestones of the project. But a bridge is only as effective as the roads it leads to it, the secondary road connections that will allow vehicles, pedestrians, and goods to move seamlessly to and fro the new crossing. On the western side of the project, near Wismar, construction is progressing steadily. Work on the West Watuka Connector Road and the Decorah Hall Road has reached 33% completion. At the same time, foundation work for the new roundabout and the western approach is already complete, while carving for the roundabout is about 50% complete. Further along the network, construction along Burnham Drive approach is also advancing, and the culvert installation continue to improve drainage and long-term stability. Across the river on the eastern approach, construction activities are also underway, currently reaching 27% completion. Workers are building foundations and retaining structures that will support the main access road leading up to the bridge. To prepare the ground for these structures, crews has already installed 3,750 prefabricated vertical drains, critical technique for strengthening soft soil and accelerating ground consolidation. Alongside these drains, geotextile material has been laid to reinforce the foundation layers. Workers are now placing white sand and crushed stones, helping to stabilize the substructure and create a strong base for a future roadway. When completed, the Linden Mackenzie Bridge will offer far more than just a new route across the river. At the end of the bridge, roundabouts will regulate traffic flow and provide smooth connections to the surrounding road network. Perhaps most significantly, crossing will be toll-free, making travel between Wismar and Mackenzie faster, more accessible for residents, businesses, and commuters. As the final completion activities and connector roads near completion, the project remains on track, fully operational by June 2026.